The decreasing supply of water resources poses a significant challenge to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 6, which aims for universal access to clean water and sanitation for all by the year 2030. Current efforts to reduce pollution and ensure sustainable freshwater supply are inadequate, highlighting a pressing need for advancements in these areas. About 2.4 billion people suffer from severe water scarcity, causing mass dehydration and waterborne diseases. The World Health Organization reports that 3 out of 10 Filipinos still lack access to safe water sources and proper sanitary facilities. Along with climate change, pollution and salinization contribute to the issue by contaminating the already limited amount of usable water supply and further reducing the amount of fresh water available. Over the past centuries, methods for purifying water have evolved. Although expensive and stationary purification techniques like reverse osmosis and distillation are successful, other portable purifiers fall short in terms of purification quality.
As a developing country aiming for innovative strategies to address the country's ability to reach optimum sustainability and to repurpose unusable contaminated water such as flood and turning it into safe drinkable water, we give you the AquaCleanse, a portable automatic purifying device that can aid in the prevention of dehydration, waterborne diseases, and loss of life. The AquaCleanse was tested for its effectiveness to meet the national drinkable water standards given by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources in terms of heterotrophic count, fecal coliform, total coliform, pH level, nitrate, total dissolved solids, and turbidity.
The AquaCleanse was created by connecting the membrane solutions filtered to the water pumps by tubes that should filter out sediments and bacteria. A purifying powder was incorporated into the contaminated water to kill out the bacteria. AquaCleanse utilizes a solar power bank to supply energy to the water pumps. It also includes a water jug to contain the contaminated water and a receptacle to house all the parts. This is how the AquaCleanse works.
A sample of contaminated floodwater is collected and placed inside the water jug for testing. The contaminated water is then mixed with a PNG purifying powder. Once the powder has settled and the bacteria and other contaminants have clustered, the water pumps will be activated. The first water pump transports the contaminated water into the membrane solutions filter, which filters out any sediments, bacteria, and remaining purifying powder. Subsequently, the second water pump transfers the purified water into a container.
Following the thorough operation of the device, 4 liters of contaminated floodwater were obtained and purified using AquaCleanse for laboratory testing to test its potability. 3 samples were sent to the Microbiology Lab and Environmental Monitoring Lab of Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. The results of the laboratory testing are based on the National Drinkable Water Standards, which correspond to the quantitative descriptions of its heterotrophic count, fecal coliform, total coliform, pH level, nitrate, total dissolved solids, and turbidity. Same number of samples were tested in triplicate using the AquaCleanse.
The test results for AquaCleanse received from BFAR show that AquaCleanse was able to pass all the parameters, except turbidity, which, according to BFAR, is only the clarity of water and does not affect the safety of the water purified by AquaCleanse.
These demonstrated that there is no significant difference established between the AquaCleanse and standard drinking water in terms of heterotrophic count, fecal coliform, total coliform, pH level, nitrate, total dissolved solids, and turbidity. Hence, it implies that AquaCleanse is capable of turning contaminated water into clean, drinkable water, aligning with target 6.1 and 6.3 of SDG number 6 to ensure access to safe and affordable drinking water and improve water quality, wastewater treatment, and safe reuse.
In comparison to other water purifiers available in other countries, which cost approximately $99 to $150, the overall costing of the AquaCleanse is 4,350 pesos or $75. Although $75 may seem like an excessive amount of money, AquaCleanse is a long-lasting investment that guarantees to provide clean water by purifying contaminated water for all.
AquaCleanse exhibits various relationships with several sustainable development goals, extending beyond its primary alignment with SDG number 6. Specifically, its water purification capabilities have a significant impact on SDG number 3, targeting good health and well-being by eliminating waterborne diseases and preventing dehydration, thereby contributing to the enhancement of human health and well-being. AquaCleanse embodies the principles of sustainable industrialization and resilient infrastructure. aligning with SDG number 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure as a cutting-edge innovation in water purification technology.
Its ability to convert polluted water into clean drinking water fosters sustainable consumption patterns and reduces the environmental footprint associated with water production and distribution, intersecting with SDG 12, responsible consumption and production.
Additionally, in light of the pressing issue of global water scarcity worsened by climate change, AquaCleanse's technology plays a crucial role in mitigating the negative impacts of climate change on water resources, thereby aligning with SDG 13, Climate Action.
AquaCleanse has the ability to address the urgent global water crisis. With AquaCleanse being only $75 per unit, it is feasible for the device to be mass-produced and commercialized. The local government unit, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Department of Science and Technology, and other agencies can collaborate with factories to streamline the production of AquaCleanse and further reduce the cost of the device. Streamlining and donating AquaCleanse to various parts of the world, specifically rural areas wherein water is scarce and water production facilities are rare, this will allow these areas to gain access to clean drinkable water without spending a fortune.
For the purpose of implementing innovative strategies as an efficient way to help drive sustainable development forward and increase the global water supply, the United Nations underscores the necessity for greater investment in fostering innovation to address this underlying issue with sustainable development goals. AquaCleanse, in its ability to provide safe and reliable drinking water supply, is sure to become a valuable tool to accommodate millions of people suffering from inadequate water supplies, dehydration, and waterborne diseases.
Investing in sustainable approaches to safeguard our water resources is a crucial role in this endeavor. I am Arian Arguelles.
I am Audrey Rivera.
And I am Renoa Raduvan, creating safer water for a better future
with AquaCleanse.